The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, very good morning. Today is Tuesday, October 18. Good morning, Deepak, Ray, Dennis. Guys, good morning, good morning. Futures are up again. Morning, Doug, Tom, Paul. We gapped up last night over that 3,700, and we are continuing to break out. 37.75.80 is the next target on the ES. NASDAQ looks like 400 today. Good morning, Jacques. Albert, good morning. In any event, guys, good morning. We're back at it. We had a very good order flow trade yesterday. Bots were, they were up 85 bucks cumulative yesterday. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Some of you for the second day of your 5-day trial. We do have a few of you that have started today. I'm not sure if you're in the room. Do I have any of the new trials? I had 2 or 3 trials come in overnight. Are any of you folks in the room yet? This is your first day in the room? If you are, type in the chat. Good morning, Hubba. Yes, sir. I'll call you at 11 o'clock or 11:15 whenever we're done. I'll give you the plan here. Good morning, Ray. Crude has more about, let me just see one thing here. Let me see. TradeStation is still on November. I will stay with November's crude because I use TradeStation charting, and they are still on November. So I'm going to stay with November's crude. All right, in any event, we have some trials, 2 trials that are starting today. It does not appear that they are in the room yet. So what I will do is I will do what I do every day. I will read the disclaimer. I, of course, send this video out every single day to trials. And I guess if they want to know what's going on in the room, they can watch the video. I will do a brief explanation again for all of my members. I apologize for the inconvenience, but I'll go through it one more time so that trials that are starting today have some idea of what they're going to see. In any event, start with the disclaimer. We'll do some charts as we do every day. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. For the benefit of those 2 or 3 trials that are beginning today, and to reiterate for those that started yesterday, this last blurb here is required reading by the NinjaTrader ecosystem. I am not a member of the NinjaTrader ecosystem. I am not required to read that. In fact, I'm not required to read the disclaimers. All I need to do is post them, but I read them every day. I do read that disclaimer. The last part of the disclaimer is past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. So, now that the disclaimer is read, couple of things. One, you're going to see in this room two separate and distinct aspects. One, of course, is the robot trades. Okay? As of this morning, morning, Stuart. As of this morning, the ES has not taken a trade. We turn bots on at 6 a.m. Eastern. They are all done trading at 11. The bots have not taken the bot has not taken a trade in the ES. Crude is gnawing itself to death. The crude bot is down $2,340 at this point. We had a winning long here, a failed long, and a failed short. We'll see if it can trade itself out of that jam. NASDAQ is up 215. Russell doesn't get turned on until 9:30, so consequently that's at 0. And the last robot is natural gas, which is up $90. And we will go from there. One thing you may notice, the robots over the last 3 weeks have currently been changed or are currently changed to individual SIM accounts. Over the many years and many, many months, I am frequently asked, what does crude do? What does ES do? Historically, I have run them on one account. So I've always historically given an end of day total. So for instance, the cumulative total in the account for 5 robots was up 900. But that doesn't tell you what ES has done. That doesn't tell you what NASDAQ may have done for the day. So about 3 weeks ago, I've switched to individual SIM accounts to track them individually in addition to targets. I've historically tracked the bots to first target only. So for instance, I can tell you historically, the ES has a 74% win rate, but that's to first target. But what's the percentage of second target that's hit or potentially third target? So I am now tracking those numbers to give all of you a better idea of, does it make more sense to take 2 contracts off at target 2 or 1 contract off, or maybe all contracts off at target 1. So I'm accumulating that data. The second aspect of the room you're going to see, which is probably the majority of the room, are my order flow trades. I trade and teach order flow. And pay attention if you're on trial. I trade a live cash account. So my order flow trades, I am taking in a live cash account. Okay? Now, I want to refer back to the third aspect of the disclaimer. The fact that I may be in a trade does not lend more credence to any trade. I trade what I see. I offer the same suggestions to you. If you folks wish to follow, it is your prerogative. So, if anybody that's on trial has any questions about anything I've just relayed, please feel free to ask. And I want to stress, if you're here on trial, we'll see how the bots do over the week. Last week they were up cumulative somewhere, I forget, 6 or 65, 7,000, I forget. In any event, let's look at, so if you guys are interested, if it's in your trade plan, 54 was a short, 49 is a bit of support. Target number 1 would be 41. Target number 1 is 41. Let's call it 42. That's target 1. This is going to be some support in there, in that zone. There goes 49. Come on, buddy. small sellers in here. If it breaks below 34, it can come back to 310. Nothing going on here. You guys can kill this trade. You guys can kill it. It may still come down. It's just not. Yeah, no worries, man. You didn't miss anything. You can kill this NASDAQ trade. If anybody took ZB, target number 1 is 124. It's not. It's 6 ticks. And then free. Goldman CEO David Solomon says there's a good chance of a recession. There you go. Shocked to hear that. Crude doesn't know if it wants to go up or down. NASDAQ looks like it wants 395. I don't particularly like it long, but it can get to 6. If it pops above 83, it'll get that first target anyways. Copper's coming down. Copper's a short. Target 138.45. NASDAQ's going to trade 425, fellas. 425. ES trying to blow through 75 resistance. Next level up would be 3,800. Man, hate these overnight moves. Really like to get a pullback to 50 area. Good morning, Greg. I'll be at the game Sunday. All right, there's target 1. This is going to have some work to do if it's going to get target 2. So stop is automatically moved to break even +1. If this gets target 2, it will probably get target 3. Crude has a shot of a long above 50. It's going to have to clear VWAP. But you have a 47 long with the first target at VWAP. Greg, did you roll to December yet on crude? Okay. Come on, gas. A few more ticks. If we get that second target, the probabilities are we'll get third because it'll push up to almost 50. All right, guys, there's top of the hour. I'm going to take a breakfast break. If anybody has any quick questions before I take my break, holler. Yeah, didn't get second target. All right, guys, I'll be back 20 minutes. Stretch your legs, get coffee, whatever. 32-mile paddle race. Okay. Well, let me know when you get to Chattanooga. I have a target at 418 if you guys like NASDAQ long. And we could get a pullback on the open, but 418 looks like we're going to open up at the high of the day, which always sucks. High of the day is 98.5 for 7 handles below the high of the day into the open. Hate this. Yeah, Dean and I are doing one today. We go. New day high ahead of the open. Pisses me off. Hate this. All right, guys. Under a minute. All kinds of buyers. I mean, I'm not buying at this high, so if you're not If you're not long, you're not long. If we break over 75, 3,800 is the next target, guys. We're off. Here comes the push, right on the open. Here comes the push. ES has to push through 75, 76. Iran has promised Russia more drones and more missiles. $432 next target on NASDAQ. ES struggling at the 75. If it punches through, it's going to go a long ways. Small sellers in the NASDAQ. Russell Bot just took a quick trade. Got target one only and break even on the stop. Here's the next push. Longs, if it's in your plan to buy highs. ES is breaking out as well if it can get above this 76 half, 77 area. I'm not buying this, guys. I'm telling you, I'm not. If it's in your plan, you can buy it and hold. ES consolidating just below this major level and breakout. ES is going to go too, guys. You'll hit 27 what? Long 27 NASDAQ? Small sellers in here. A little bit of support right here on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ gets above 35, it's blowing up again. 35. 600 sellers in this 3-minute bar. Here we go. Russell again on the bot. Trying to push up, guys. I am not looking for any shorts. I'm looking for longs only at this point. Looks like we're going to come down. $207 buyer here at 74. 210. $216. They're buying 74, 75 on NASDAQ. Somebody is. 225. There's first target on Russell on the bot. Another block buy here. This was our trigger here. It's trying to push a little bit lower. Let's see if they buy these again. 229. They're buying 74, 75, guys. Bottom again, 235. Small time frame is pushing lower. That's all. $242. I don't know why they want that number, but they do. They bought him again. Come on, let's go, NASDAQ. They're buying him again. They're still buying that level. I don't know why, guys. No idea why. Guys, I tried a long at 72.50. It's not holding. I'm long 72.50 on the NASDAQ. Looks like it's coming down to 50, though. Come on, pop up. I'm long 72.50. I'm long 72.50. Two contracts. It's not holding. It's trying to bounce back up. They bought the hell out of that 74, though. This has to get above 75, 76 to go long. I'm out of this trade, guys. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go. Pop. All right, I'm out of the trade, guys. I'm out of the trade. I had money a couple of times. Nothing. Out on the Russell runners. NASDAQ, natural gas. Still like this NASDAQ. It doesn't need to be there, guys, but that's where I would probably be long again. We're right back to my entry, 72.50. It's right where I entered with that big buyer. Come on, NASDAQ, pump. Go, you rat bag. I'm long again, guys, 67.25. What the fudge with this area? Come on. This is where the big buyer was, 72. Don't know why we're sitting here, but let's go. Good Jesus. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ, let's go. Come on. Give me. All right, I took some profits, guys. This is the big buyer here, 74.75. I'm out, Carl. I'm flat. I took some profits. No bot trades, guys. Nothing to show. Looks like it wants to come down to VWAP. No buyers coming in yet. Small sellers, smallish, coming right back up into this. I'll go long again at 70 if it gets up there. I'm looking at NASDAQ, Stuart. NASDAQ. ES could come all the, I mean, again, it's failing that 75 major resistance, ES. The next level down or back would be 35. Got a bot trade somewhere, natural gas. All right, we're back up to 3,100 buyers. We should trade back to 83 from here. Target 1 on the natural gas spot and break even. Natural gas spot, target 1. Out in the runners, natural gas. First target's only for the most part today on natural gas. Small negative, positive delta. Come on, get above 70 and go. This pink line on my chart is where the big buys were. Those guys are not generally wrong. They're just running weak hands out right now. There we go. Come on. Still no. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go. Let's push up to 83. Come on, buddy. Got to come through this swing here at 73 quarter. 73 quarter has to go. Russell's long again on the bot. I'll move it in a second. What a shoot trade, fellas. Just a shoot trade. Come on. Got to get above 72 and we go. 15-minute candle. Still can't go. NASDAQ shorted on the bot. Target 1. Target 2. Come on. Got it. Coming to VWAP, guys. Long off VWAP if we get there. Got to come back up through 62 now to go. This is just terrible. No follow through on the longs. Into VWAP. ES back to VWAP at 55. We could come all the way to 35. Full candle close below VWAP. You're short. 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 You're below VWAP. Short. Target 185. 85. You have got to be freaking kidding me with this. Pre-market moves straight up and nothing. 85 is target one. Yes, looks like it's headed back to 35. Looks like it's headed back to 35. Another 900 sellers. Jesus. Back above VWAP. You got to be shitting me with this market. NASDAQ held the bottom of the 10-minute cloud. Come on down, 85. No bot trades. ES is up 1490. NASDAQ still up 250. Gave back about 100. Stocks are all holding green. This is what I have for a first target. That's target 1 to 85. Come on. 85. NEHB is a miss. Lowest since August of 2020. YM in better shape. I have no bot trades, guys. Not one. Not a one. Nothing to show. Guys, still 2,800 buyers in this thing. And will not get back over VWAP. All right, buyers needs to get above 32. Yeah, it looks like buy. I mean, we've got to look at these last two candles in the NASDAQ. ES will mimic this. You got 1,000 buyers in the last 10 minutes, and they're not moving this very far. There we go. This could be the start of the up move. Come on, NASDAQ, let's go. I mean, you've got 1,200 buyers here, guys, and we're going nowhere. 12. $3,100 net buyers on the day, and we're going nowhere. Good God. Seriously. 34 minutes into this. 34 minutes into this, and we are going absolutely nowhere with all these buyers. Now we need 27, new candle. Back to VWAP. What the fudge? Come on. Break up, break down. I don't care what you do. Do something. You guys can try along here. 29. Seriously, get back over VWAP. Yeah, Greg, I don't freaking get it, man. It should go to 62. This should get 62 with its eyes closed. It's got to get the 3,500 net buyers. We're increasing the net positive delta and going nowhere. That's where the big buyer was up here at 74 change. This is what's got to go, 41. Come on, get through 41 and rip it to 62. I'm out of this trade, guys. $80 loss. I don't have the patience for this. This thing might go, it might not. We got buyers all over Hell's Half Acre and it's going nowhere. I lost $80. I'm out. I'll take it long over 43 again. $15-minute is good. It's the 5-minute that's squelching us. Here it goes. If you guys are going to trade this, you're going to have the patience of Job. I'm serious. If it breaks above this here, look, here's what's stuffing us. The damn 50-period moving average on a 5-minute. That's it. If it breaks above that, it should go. You guys are okay with draw and holding a trade? We should be longs, but we are not, and we cannot get through this 40 for 43. Losing buyers again, back down to 3,300. If you guys want a safer trade, 43, 44 entry. Right back to that 36. Buyers again. It looks like it wants to break out. But again, there we go. Come on, we're through 43. Push it. You got him now. Unfreaking real, man. Seriously. Unreal. Unreal. Failed breakdowns, long, failed breakdown. I mean, the short was okay, didn't get target, and now it closed below VWAP. $200 sellers in this 3-minute block. There are absolutely no bot trades. None. Come on, you rat bastard. Do something. Looks like we're going to break down again. Your next long you can try is here, 31. done with this NASDAQ today, guys. I'm done with the NASDAQ. Till we get rid of Europe. This is just a slobbering mess. I mean, this is not good that they're selling. The high of the day was in the pre-market, and now they're selling everything. Not good. ES looks like we're coming back to 35. If you guys want to try along, it's back here at 31. There's your long if you guys want to try it again. $31. Didn't get there. I guess the NASDAQ's going to wait on Netflix today. Down to 2,700 buyers. Below 27. Guys, there are no bot trades. Last trade here was ES up 525. Crude hasn't had a trade in a long while, down 2160. NASDAQ hasn't had a trade in a long while, up 595. We're just chopping. Natural gas is up 350. And Russell is down 490. There are no trades. Nothing. Nothing. ES failed that 75. I'm long one contract, guys, at 81.85. Got a 123 here. Natural gas getting a small bid. Could bounce back up to 09. 6009. Oh my God, a bot trade. NASDAQ. It's 11 o'clock already, fellas. Target hit. Bots are done trading. That's it for the day, guys. All right. NASDAQ bot finished up 680. ES bot up 525. Crude bot down 2160. RTY down 490. And Russell up, I'm sorry, natural gas up 350. Anybody have any questions? We're done for the session. I think you can buy 3710 SPX puts at this point, 3700s. Doesn't look good. Looks like a straight shit show today. Anybody have any questions? I am flat crude. 280.